in this room, then Yusek, now Sec Garin, no, was here, and she heard our sentiments. No? So even then, Sec Popo Lotilla is also well aware of our sentiments. So I think revisiting the APIRA law will take some time. No? Di pa madaling i-amend or i-update, no? Because I think that's not too old. Alam mo naman sa atin, paminsan gusto natin na ilan years or dekada bago i-amend ang isang batas. But yes, we have to siguro work on the IRR, yung implementation po nito, and making sure that local communities benefit talaga. I know the DOE agrees with us in principle, pero siguro ang tanong lang is paano natin ipapatupad talaga.